Why does your scanner show the P2247 engine code? What does it mean? P2247 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor reference voltage circuit or open bank to sensor 1. The P2247 engine code for indicate your powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an open, broken, or disconnected reference. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed oxygen sensor, damaged or melted wiring, corroded electrical connectors, blown circuit fuse, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Hyundai, Honda, Kia, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.